The legal battle over the estate of the late Sanjay Kapoor has taken a dramatic new turn. Karishma Kapoor's children have now approached the Delhi High Court seeking their rightful share of their father's wealth. The suit raises serious questions about the conduct of Priya Sachdeva, who currently controls key parts of the estate. Sanjay Kapoor's children, recognized as the legal heirs, have filed a case in the Delhi High Court demanding three things: partition of the estate, rendition of accounts, and a permanent injunction. They claim that after their father's death, Priya Sachdeva refused to share any documents or information about his assets. Worse, she allegedly took steps to dispose of these assets in a way that harms the children's interests. The suit specifically asks the court to order Priya Sachdeva to disclose on oath the exact status of Sanjay Kapoor's estate as of the day he died and any actions taken after. One major allegation is the sudden appearance of a so-called last will dated 21st March 2025. According to the children, Priya Sachdeva had repeatedly told them no will existed. Only after more than 7 weeks after their father's passing did a meeting take place, where the will's executor briefly showed a document but refused to share a full copy. This unexpected appearance raises serious doubts. The suit points out that two people closely connected to Priya Sachdeva were the ones presenting the will, making the situation even more suspicious. At the time of their father's death, the children were told that the RK Family Trust held all of Sanjay Kapoor's assets. They were told they would need to attend an annual general meeting on 25th July 2025 to sign some forms. But later, they received a call saying their attendance was no longer required, without any explanation. The children and their mother were never given the family trust deed or full details about the assets held in the trust. This lack of transparency is a major point in the suit. Unnatural and not normal conduct. The plaintiffs say the way the will was hidden for weeks and then revealed in such a strange way is unnatural and not normal conduct. It creates many contradictions and suspicion. Now, the court will have to decide if this so-called will is legitimate, the true status of the family trust, and whether Priya Sachdeva's actions have harmed the children's rightful claims. The children are demanding transparency and a fair share of their late father's personal assets and effects, asserting their legal rights as heirs.